Hello, in this video I will show you how to configure and use the Turnstile Captcha add-on in ARMember. Go to the ARMember add-ons page. This is the ARMember inbuilt modules and add-ons page. Now scroll down, locate the Turnstile Captcha add-on and install it. The add-on has been installed successfully. Now activate it. The add-on has been activated successfully. Now, click the Configure button. Go to the Turnstile Captcha configuration section. This is the configuration section. To configure Turnstile Captcha with ARMember, you need a site key and a secret key. Now go to the Cloudflare dashboard page. Open the Turnstile page under Application Security. This is the Turnstile widgets page. Now click the Add Widget button. This is the Add Widget page. Enter the widget name and click the Add Host Names button. Enter the host name and click the Save button. Select the host name and widget mode. After that, click the Create button. Here you can see the site key and secret key. Copy both keys and paste them into the ARMember Turnstile Captcha settings. You can also customize the Captcha theme and language. After configuring all the settings, click the Apply Changes button. Changes saved successfully. Now go to the Manage Forms page. This is the Manage Forms page. Here you can see all ARMember forms. Now edit the sign up form. This is the ARMember sign up form page. In the sidebar, locate the Turnstile Captcha section, enable the option and save the form. Form saved successfully. Now go back to the Manage Forms page and edit the login form set. This is the login form set. Enable the Turnstile Captcha option here as well. Now click the Save button to save the form. Form saved successfully. Now go to the front end. Now open the login form pop-up. This is the login pop-up. Here you can see the Turnstile Captcha. Now open the sign up page. This is the sign up page. Here you can also see the Turnstile Captcha. Now register a new member and enter the required details. Without verifying the Turnstile Captcha, click the Submit button. As you can see, a Turnstile Captcha verification error is displayed. Now, verify the Turnstile Captcha and click the Submit button again. See, the member has been created successfully. Admins can also customize the Turnstile Captcha error message. Go to the ARMember General Settings page. Open the Common Messages page. This is the Common Messages page. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page. See, this is the Turnstile Captcha Messages section. Here you can change the invalid verification message. That's it. This is how you can configure and use the Turnstile Captcha add-on in ARMember.
Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel.